So if you're a student just getting started with online-math-homework.com, you want to click the Get Started link. And then if you're not associated with a class, all you have to do is click this button up here, choose whichever textbook you want to work in. There's only two at the time of this video. And then you can choose your chapter and choose the topics to start practicing questions. Okay. But if you're here trying to join a class that's made by a teacher or professor, you'd want to start by creating an account. And then it's just like, you've done thousands of accounts probably. You can type in your email and your password, then you can log in. And then you'll want to join the class based on the instructor's class code. So they should give you some sort of class code that you can type in here, and when you hit submit, it should say that it's found the code. But once you have typed in your class code and you've hit submit, then you should be able to come back and start working in your class. Okay, so you can click whichever class. If you have multiple classes, you'll see this screen, but if not, when you click work on this class, it'll bring you right to your problem sets. So you can access your homework. The due dates would show up here if your instructor has one. So click on the section, and then these are the homework questions that you'll want to start answering. So it keeps track of your score. This professor only has one question that you have to answer correctly before it lets you move on. Other professors might have more. So like for example in 1-1, well, maybe it's a different one. I think there's one where I demonstrated. No, this professor just has one for everything. Okay, but if you saw two, you've got one right, you'd see a score of 50% so far for that. And then your tests show up at the bottom of the screen. You can click those, and it's pretty self-explanatory there. But that's the basics of how you get started. I just want to make sure everyone sees that there's buttons over here to get help. So you click Get Help. Clicking Textbook brings you right to the section of the textbook that you're working in. If you click on Video, sometimes there's multiple videos. Just watch out for that. You would have to press the top right corner to see the playlist of videos that's associated with this question. There's a button called Walk Me Through This, which tells you step by step how to complete the question. And then there's a button called Ask My Instructor, where you can type an email to your instructor, hit send, and it tells them exactly which question. But that's going to be sent, your return address is going to be whatever address you used for the website, so just watch out for that. That's the basics. Hope the website works well for you.